Have you ever viewed someone's LinkedIn profile and realized most of their details are hidden, like their full job history, education, or even contact info? Don't worry. There are completely ethical and legitimate ways to see more details on any LinkedIn profile. Let's dive right in. First, understand that LinkedIn hides some profile sections from non-connections or free users to protect privacy. But there are clever, ethical tricks to view more without breaking any rules. The first method is to log into your own LinkedIn account and switch your viewing mode. Go to your profile settings, then select Profile Viewing Options. From there, change it to your name and headline. This way, when you view someone's profile, LinkedIn shows you as a real visitor, which often encourages the other person to check your profile back. Once they do, you can often see mutual connections or share details that weren't visible before. Second, use Google's site search feature. In Google, type backhand index pointing right site, linkedin.com/in, person's name or company. This often shows cached or public versions of profiles that display more information than what you see inside LinkedIn itself. For example, old job titles or public summaries can appear in Google's index even if the user later hid them. The third ethical method is to use your mutual network. If you share a connection, simply click Ask to introduce you. Once connected, you'll gain full access to their complete profile, including experience, recommendations, and contact details. This not only reveals more info but also builds your professional network in the right way. Here's a bonus trick. If you're researching companies, use LinkedIn's People filter. Search for employees of that company, and you'll often see their job titles and locations, even if their full profiles are private. It's great for recruiters or professionals doing market research. And remember, never use fake accounts or scraping tools. LinkedIn's system is smart and can detect unethical behavior, which could get your account restricted. The best strategy? Build genuine connections, engage with posts, and keep your own profile active. LinkedIn rewards active users by showing them more search results and public details across the platform. So now you know, you can view more LinkedIn details ethically, stay safe, and still gain powerful insights into people and companies. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.